Okay, Google Docs bullet points. How do you make them? So I already created a Google Docs document, and you can select this text. For example, if I want to have this in bullets, I can select the text that I want to have in bullets and then go to this bullet icon and just click it. You can choose for different options if you click on the drop down arrow. So if you like arrows, for example, this is how you can add them. You can also convert it to a numbers list. So I like to do this a lot. So when you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Sometimes you want to make sub bullets, and you can do it by adding your cursor over there and hit the tab button, or you can select it or add your cursor there and increase the indent or decrease indent. So you can make it 1A, 1B, etc. And you can even go sub bullets or how far you want to go. So this is how you add it. And and if you want to unbullet it, just go to over here and then select everything and click the bullet that has been selected. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and if it does, please leave a like in this video or leave me a comment if you want me to make you a new instruction video. Alright, enjoy your day, bye bye.